Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be understanding Salesforce Sandbox types from a business analyst certification perspective. Sandbox questions in the exam are usually about choosing the right environment for the right activity, such as development, testing, training, or UAT. Let's break this down clearly. A sandbox is simply a copy of your production environment. It allows team to build, test, train, and validate changes safely without impacting live business users. Two component matters in sandbox question. First, metadata, meaning configurations like object, fields, and flow. The second one is data, meaning actual records like account, opportunity, and cases. The difference between sandbox types mainly depend on how much data is copied. Developer sandbox is used for building and unit testing. It is ideal for individual or small team development work. It does not contain production data. Usually, you create your own sample data. In exam, if you see phrases like building a new flow, quick validation, safe place for development, the answer is usually developer sandbox. From a BA perspective, this is useful during early prototyping or requirement validation demo. Partial copy sandbox include a subset of production data. The data is controlled using sandbox template. For example, you might copy account, contact, and cases, but not everything. This is ideal for training sessions, representative UAT, process validations, and limited integration testing. In exam, look for keywords like realistic but limited data, training environment, subset of production data. From a business analyst perspective, this is often the best balance between realism and data control. Full sandbox is the closest environment to production. It includes all production metadata and data. This is used for full-scale UAT, performance testing, end-to-end regression testing, and final go-live rehearsal. In exam, you need to see phrases like full data volume, performance concerns, large release, final UAT before go live. If you find such kind of phrases, the answer is usually full sandbox. This is about maximum realism and risk reduction. In exam scenarios, always decide based on two things. First, level of realism required, and second, level of risk involved. Build or prototype, usually for developer. Training or subset UAT, partial copy. Final UAT or performance testing, full. So Salesforce exam prefers right sized solution, not overkill environment. Now let's look at the common traps. Developer sandbox for UAT, usually wrong. UAT needs realistic data relationship. Full sandbox for quick prototyping, overkill. Confusing partial and full. You need to always remember partial equal to subset and full equal to everything. And also remember, sandbox are not just for developers. BA actively use sandboxes for UAT coordination, training, and validation. If you are preparing for Salesforce BA certification or building your Salesforce BA career, make sure to subscribe to Business Analysis Note. In the next video, we will continue building strong foundational concept required for both exam and interview. Keep learning strategically.